Welcome Mustang drivers. Today we're here to guide you through the simple process of charging your Ford Mustang Mach-E at an EVgo fast charging station. First, let's find the nearest EVgo station. You've got options. With your activated EVgo account, you can use the EVgo mobile app or your in-car navigation. Once you're at an EVgo station, pull in head first. Your charge port is located on the front driver's side of the vehicle. Open the charging port on your Mustang Mach-E, then take the CCS charging cable from the EVgo station and plug it into your car's charging port until you hear that click. Time to initiate your charge. Open the EVgo mobile app, match the name displayed on the charger, the connector you plugged in with, then select it in the app and just tap to kickstart your charge. Alternatively, you can use an EVgo RFID card or your credit card. Check out the payment options on the charging screen and follow the instructions displayed. The Mustang Mach-E is Autocharge Plus eligible. If you're already enrolled in Autocharge Plus, you only need to plug the connector into your vehicle to initiate the charge. Give the charger about a minute to talk to your vehicle and start the charging session. Just a friendly heads up, if you happen to plug in but don't attempt to start your charge within 2 minutes, your session may not initiate. Simply unplug and plug the connector into your vehicle once more, restart the authentication, and then you're good to go. While your Mustang Mach-E is charging, you can monitor the progress through your car's dashboard display, the app, or the charging screen. When your Mach-E is charged to your desired level, or you're ready to leave, return to the charger and hit the stop button on the charging screen. Now it's time to disconnect the charging cable. Press the release button on the charging handle, gently pull the cable away from your car's port, and place it back in the holster on the charging unit. Be sure to secure the charging port on your Mach-E before you hit the road. With your Mustang Mach-E charged and ready to go, you're all set to continue your journey. Safe travels!